Hi, my name is Antoine Francis, and today I will be creating an Ethernet cable. So come on and I'll show you how it's done. So now I will be formatting the cables in the B standard method. And the B standard method is orange and white. So the arrangements are orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. Alright, so now it's in order. Orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. I will be put it. Now that's finished, I will be putting on the end. It's gonna give a little resistance, but I'm gonna insert it with a little force. Alright, it's obviously hooked. I will clamp it down. It's firm. And that concludes my video. Thank you for watching.